So if your printer is showing a paper jam error, but there's actually no paper stuck inside, no worries. We'll show you exactly where to check and how to fix it. I'll walk you through 2 effective methods to clear your paper jam error for good. And if you'd rather have one-on-one support, our printer experts are available at the numbers on the screen right now. Alright, let's jump right into it. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Cancel all documents for your printer. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type printers and scanners, then open it. Next, you see a list of printers. Just find your HP printer and click on it. Once there, click on Open Print Queue to bring up a new window. At the top of the window, click the Printer tab. When the menu drops down, go ahead and click on Cancel All Documents. Finally, when the confirmation box pops up, click Yes and you're all done. Your print queue is now completely clear. Alright, so if the first method didn't do the trick, no worries. Just move on to the next one and follow along from there. And if you're finding this helpful, please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest fixes and tutorials. Method 2. Run the troubleshooter for your printer. First, click on the Start button and open up Settings. Once Settings is open, look on the left side and click on System. Next, scroll down until you see Troubleshoot and then click on it. On the next page, click on Other Troubleshooters. When the list appears, find Printers and click the Run button next to it. Once that's done, Windows will automatically scan for printer issues. Just follow the on-screen instructions and let it fix them for you. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.